In this video, you'll learn how to send automated abandoned cart emails to your customers. This will help you recover lost sales. A cart is considered abandoned 1 hour after a customer leaves items behind without purchasing. To set up automated abandoned cart emails, go to your site dashboard. On the left, choose Customer Management. Then select Automations. Choose Recover Abandoned Carts and click Use this automation. To create the automated response from your store, Wix Stores has been pre-selected for you here. Now, select a trigger. This is the action by a visitor on your site. The trigger selected is Customer Abandons a Cart. Next, choose an action. This is how you'll respond to the trigger. Send email to visitors has already been selected for you. Any customer who already provided an email address at checkout will receive the triggered email. To add your sender details, click Add Details. Fill in your name and reply to email, then click Next. You'll receive a confirmation code by email at this address. Enter the code, click Confirm, and your sender details will be saved. Now create your email. Click Edit Template and add your subject line here at the top. You can use the one provided or write your own. Now, customize your email. Click on the title to change the text, font, and style, then click Apply. If you want to change the design of your template, click Change Layout. Choose the layout you want and click Apply. Depending on the layout you choose, this part of the email will show images and information about what customers left in their carts. To customize the button, click Edit. Then choose Design. Select the color you want and click Apply. To save your changes, select Save and Continue up here on the right. Now that you've customized your email template, you can preview it to see how it looks. Click Preview and Test on the bottom right. Click Send Test Email to send yourself a preview before sending it to your customers. Make sure everything looks the way you want, and when you're done, click Back to Setup. Now, choose a time to send your email. You can send your email immediately or set a custom time. Next, decide how often this email is sent to the same customers on your site. Select Yes if you only want to send this email to a customer once. Select No to send this email every time a customer abandons a cart. Next, click Activate up here at the top. Your automation is now live. And that's it. Now you're ready to start recovering lost sales with automated abandoned cart emails. Thanks for watching.